What's up, friends and followers? Nate with Lakeview Remodels. We are here at the prestigious Gettysview Country Club in West Knoxville, and today I want to walk through a primary bathroom in our client's home that we are about to transform to make this place an oasis that they will never want to leave. So here we are in this 1998 built bathroom. Wasn't a bad bathroom. Quite frankly, everything functions just fine, but it does not meet the design aesthetics or the characteristics that the homeowner really is going for in this case. And so we're going in with all new tile, new cabinetry, new shower. We're actually removing the tub to make space for a recumbent spin bike. So this is gonna be a place for the homeowner to come in the morning, get a great workout in on the spin bike, and then we're gonna be transforming the shower behind me into a complete steam shower with aromatherapy and chromotherapy. If you don't know what those are, chromotherapy is light treatment to help you in your vitamin deficiencies, and then also aromatherapy just gives you a really cool aromatic scent. Maybe it be eucalyptus or the smell of oranges, so that when you're taking your shower, you get all the cool vibes and feels of being in an environment that's relaxing and rejuvenating. Following that, you'll see new tile go throughout. We'll have large format, very natural colors, new countertops, and behind the countertops we'll have backlit LED recessed touch lighting. So in addition to the new space for the recumbent spin bike, we will be mounting a TV in here to be able to work with the bike and be able to display upcoming events or the news, or even just to check and see what the stock market's doing that day. Just a neat place to be able to escape from the everyday motions of life and just reset and reconnect with who you are. So this project, all in its glory, will most likely take 7 to 10 weeks. There's a lot of detail that goes into putting in a steam shower, not to mention just the additional framing necessary, but also the system and the equipment requires a lot of extra plumbing and some electrical that most often is not in existence. So we've got to reline a lot of that. But the goal would be to get in here, and within a couple of days, we'll have it all cleaned out to a new slate, and we'll be able to start from scratch to build this back up to come in with all of the new features. And by week 5, 6, we'll have a pretty good idea of how things are gonna finish out. As we come into week 6 and 7, that's where a lot of the detail and fine tuning comes into play. Whenever you're doing remodeling, there's always gonna be things that are just unaccounted for. And our goal as quality production management is to come in and make sure that day-to-day processes are meeting in line with the schedule. If they're not, what do we need to do to fix those and make sure that we can meet the schedule that we've set up? And then if not, we may have a path that will lead us to the final result that may be a little different than planned. In this case, tile was definitely a delay. We had a lot of the shower equipment on delay. So this was not something that happened overnight. We did have a couple of hiccups, but ultimately we're here today and ready to knock it out. I can't wait to share with you guys the finished look. All right, that's it. If this information was helpful to you or it inspired you to want to have something like this done in your own home, please like, subscribe, and share this content, and we will catch you on the flip side.